Hi everyone, it's Neil. Welcome to my hotel room again. And today I am looking at I think it's called JCK MAG. It's hard because it doesn't have an A, so it's JCK MAG. And what it is it's a cool magnet fishing setup. So, and you can even see, you can go to their website at jckmag.com, or .co actually, I guess .co. And if you want to get it there. But I got this from Amazon, and if you know me, you know I like to do this thing called magnet fishing. And what that is you like go to a beach or you go to a lake. Like in Dallas, we have the lakes, so I can go to the lake and I lower the magnet by the docks and things like that, and you can get all sorts of stuff. Usually I end up with like the fishing hooks and stuff like that, but I've seen people get guns and some weird, metal coins. You're not going to get gold or anything because it's not magnetic, but you'll get some fun stuff anyway. So let's open this up and check it out. So here's some instructions for you. Looks like it just says to tighten the clip when you put it on the magnet so you don't lose it. So it comes with a whole ton of rope here. So this is a big wad of rope with a carabiner on the end of it. So that right here. It comes with, I'm guessing this is the magnet in here, and then we have some gloves right here. So let's check out these. So these are some gloves. Not sure, I've never used gloves when I've been magnet fishing before, but they've got rubber stickiness to it. So I guess if it comes with actually two gloves, but I'm only putting one on now. But I guess if you're messing with it and pulling the rope and stuff like that, it's gonna stick and hold on to it and grip it better than just your hands would. So whatever. So I'll leave the glove on, but let's open it up here and check out the magnet. So here it is. They wrap it up pretty good because you don't want to magnetize and have it touch your phone or anything else. So let's see, here we go. So let's get it out of there. So empty box now. Pull it out here. And so this is the magnet. So here you go. So I got one that was very patriotic looking. So you can kind of see it says the JCK MAG logo on it, and the way it works, you take the hook, and so this one here, you don't connect it there. Okay, so you connect it up, and then what they want you to do to make sure you don't lose it is to tighten this up, and it says to use a wrench or something like that. I think is what it said. I didn't really read it that fast, but it says like use a wrench. And so what you do is you lower this, so you go out to a dock. I think maybe I'll go over to the Fort Myers beach this weekend and give it a try, and go over the dock and lower it down into the water, and then pull it back up and see what you get. So I'm guessing it's a fishing pier, so it's probably going to be a whole lot of fish hooks, but who knows, maybe somebody lost a phone or something cool in there that I can grab too. It looks like it's plenty of rope to go down. I'll make sure I tie the end onto me so I don't completely lose it into the water if I get excited or anything. But I like this. It looks good. It looks like it's pretty heavy duty magnet. I don't know what it was, like 500 pounds or something like that. So it'll pick up pretty much anything. I'm trying to see if I have anything here that I can connect it to. I have a pair of scissors. I'm afraid, I hope it doesn't break my scissors, but so there we go. So it's going to connect. So it would pick up these scissors, that's for sure. And I have an air conditioning unit, but it's plastic over here. And well, the leg of the arm of the chair is metal. Okay, there we go. I was able to get off. You kind of have to twist it and bend it to get it off. Sometimes I've seen these kits. This one here is a pretty basic kit. It comes with the rope and the gloves and stuff like that. Sometimes it comes with a little spatula to pry things off and stuff like that. But you can just keep buying. There's so much stuff you can buy. You can buy boxes for these things. You can buy magnets that are super duper heavy, but those are ridiculous because if you lower it down. So I've seen some people with these 1,000-pound ones, and they lower them down, and then it sticks onto like a what is it called, like a pylon or something, whatever the metal thing is that holds the dock into the water, and there's just janking and yanking and can't get it off, and by the time they pull it off, they've loosened the knot or something like that, and they've lost magnets. It's easy to lose these magnets, so they're not terribly expensive, so that's good about it. But this one here, it's got a nice rope, and it looks like they even have the rope tied up here to keep you from losing it with the rubber, and they got a good knot on it, and they tell you to tighten this carabiner with a wrench so you don't so it doesn't come off. So once it's on, it's on. So that would probably keep you from having any problems with it. But I like this one. It's JCK MAG. I've seen their stuff before. They make really good stuff, and it's definitely quality. this is not going anywhere. This one here is tied super tight onto the magnet. I can't even rotate the little eye bolt or anything like that, but it's probably a good idea to tighten up this screw on the bottom as well, just to make sure, because you don't want to lose these things, and as you're down there sometimes things twist and stuff, so just want to make sure everything's super tight when you do this. I'll put a link to this particular one into my description. I got it from Amazon, so it's pretty easy to get. Put a link to it there, and I will I guess that's it for what I'll do, but what I need you to do is to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and that'll give me the ability to come back and give you lots more reviews and do other stuff. I'm sure I'll have some other magnet fishing things as I review those too, because I already have some at home back in Dallas, and now I have some here in Florida, so I'm gonna have a set for each different place, and it's always fun. The kids are gonna love coming out with me and doing this, because they get all the crap that we pick up. So it's fun and something to do. Definitely an activity, so I like it. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and the link's in the description. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll be back with some more reviews sometime soon. Bye. Can't stop the video with the glove on. Probably could use this hand. Bye.